Okay? But we notice these are not arranged in that fashion. So what can we do? We can rearrange to make it look ready for solving. So let's look at that. Now we notice that the second equation, this equation 1 and this equation 2, we notice that the second equation is already looking like what we want. So we rearrange the first equation. Okay, so when we rearrange this, we can get, so let's rearrange on this side, see. We need our constant to be on the left, on the right hand side. We need our constant to be on the right hand side, and our variables with their coefficients on the left hand side, like we have in equation 2. So what do we do here? So we need minus 2y on the left hand side. So how to eliminate minus 2y is to add 2y to both sides. So we have this as x plus 2y equals 5. So this is what we're going to be using. This and this are one and the same. We just rearranged. It's just like saying 3 plus 5 equals 8, or 8 minus 3 equals 5. One and the same. So let's make this now rearrange our equation 1 and this our equation 2. Okay? Alright. So let's put them on top of each other. Now, the question did not specify that we should use any method, either substitution method or elimination method. So we use any method of choice. So here we are going to be checking out both methods just for convenience. Anyone you feel is easy for you, is your go-to rule or go-to method, please feel free. So let's start with the elimination. Elimination. Now we have terms that are similar. So you subtract 2 from 1. 1x, so to speak, x minus 5x is minus 4x. This cancels this. 5 minus 1 is 4. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, that's minus 4. We have minus 4, minus 4. This gives x equals minus 1. So we have x to be minus 1. So what do? Put x back in equation 1 to get our y. So let's put x in there. Put x in equation 1. So we put x there, so we have minus 1 plus 2y equals 5. Add 1 to both sides. Plus 1 plus 1. This goes, we have 2y equals 6. Divide both sides by the coefficient of y. We have divided by 2 divided by 2. This is 3 and this is 1. So we have y to be 3. So x is minus 1. Y is 3 for elimination method. Some of you may ask, why did you put x in equation 1? Why not in equation 2? By the time you get to x, if you put x in equation 1, you get 3. If you put x in equation 2, you get 3. Alright? If it's properly done, whatever equation you pick, you still get the same answer. This is the elimination method. So let's check out the substitution method. So let x equals 5 minus 2y, as the question was originally given. So we put x in equation 2. So anywhere we find x, we put 5 minus 2y. So 5 into, what's our x? 5 minus 2y. 5x plus 2y equals 1. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 2y, 10y. Plus 2y equals 1. Minus 10y plus 2y is minus 8y. So we take Which did we take? Alright, let's add 8y to both sides. So if we add 8y to both sides, we have this goes, so we have 25 equals to 1 plus 8y. We take our 1, we subtract 1 from both sides. So this will be 25 minus 1 equals 8y. This is 24 equals 8y. Divide both sides by the coefficient of y. We have over 8 over 8. Our y equals 3. Now, it's looking like it. So what do we do now? We take our y equals 3 and plug it back in equation 1. This, so we have x equals to 5 minus 2y. While y is 3, so we have x equals to 5 minus 2 times 3. 5 minus 6. X equals minus 1. So we have minus 1 as it is here, and we have y equals to 3 as it is here. So please, any method of choice, do as you please. But if the instruction comes, use a particular method, elimination, substitution. Alright, I prefer using the elimination method because it cuts off the stress of doing this substitution at the beginning. But any method of choice, please do. Join us again while we math it.